Ex-servicemen across the country took to the streets to protest against what they claimed to be a betrayal by the BJP government. Prime Minister Narendra Modi had promised these bravehearts that he would implement the one rank one pension scheme during his electoral campaign. But these ex-servicemen allege that they are yet to see these assurances actually manifest into action. Gathered at Jantar Mantar in the capital, these hundreds of ex-servicemen seeking their right, demanding immediate one rank one pension rollout.
We have to now beg to you for giving us something which will allow us to live honorably. One rank one pension is the thing which is to be given to all people.
In Bengaluru too, ex-servicemen standing up to make their voice heard.
The clamour for one rank, one pension is only growing, with ex-servicemen coming together across the country to register their protest with consecutive governments letting them down on this particular issue.
Politicians in whose power it is to convey this to us are unable to do so. This has been going on for ages.
Feeling cheated, they are angry at the Modi government which promised one rank one pension implementation during polls.
अगर 2004 में वाजपेयी जी की सरकार बन गई होती तो आज वन रैंक वन पेंशन वाली समस्या उलझती नहीं मित्रों.
But 14 months on, the ex-servicemen only getting assurances.
I can only say that the issue is progressing very rapidly, but some patience is required.
Very recently, about a fortnight ago, while addressing the nation through Mann Ki Baat, Prime Minister in a very somber way had come across to all the ex-army men, ex-servicemen, saying that they should have some patience. What has not happened for 40 long years will surely happen during the tenure of this government.
वन रैंक वन पेंशन में भी निर्णय यूपीए का श्रेय लेने मोदी जी खड़े हुए हैं और अब एनडीए सरकार भाजपा वादा खिलाफी कर रही है.
The political tussle for one rank one pension has been a long one, with both the Congress and the BJP claiming they have worked towards it. But for these brave men who spend their lives guarding our motherland against the enemy, it's the fight against the system that is perhaps the hardest as their protest continues. Bureau Report, Times Now.